For some reason, on these brand new 2019 Chevy Silverados, they give you guys a mixture of LED technology and still some old halogen bulbs. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can finish the job and get the LED turn signals that you're looking for, get that cool modern look. And the sweet part is you can do it without wiring in any resistors, no additional steps. They're totally plug and play. So let's get this thing apart. Let's get it upgraded. Now, I apologize if you can't see exactly what I'm doing. It is kind of a dark little corner here that we're reaching into, but I promise you it is as simple as reaching in, pulling the cover off, pulling the old bulb out, and installing a new one. Nothing to it. Today we're going to be installing the GTR Lighting Carbide Canbus 2.0 bulbs. Now, what I love about these things and why you keep seeing them on this channel is they don't need any special parts to work on this truck. You don't need any resistors. You don't need to splice any wiring. It is simply plug and play. Remove your old bulb and install the new one. Simple as that. Now, reaching through the back of the headlight here, you're going to feel this little tab, and if you twist it counterclockwise, you can pop it out, pull it toward you. You're going to see your factory turn signal bulb. But at this time, you can remove that bulb, install your Carbide Canbus 2.0 bulb, and reinsert everything back into the headlight. It's a super simple and straightforward upgrade. It is just really challenging to film, but you can do this at home in your driveway in just a couple of seconds. Nothing to it, nothing has to be taken apart. Now, for a new truck, this thing's pretty easy to work on. I know you probably thought you're going to have a whole lot of stuff to take apart to get to those bulbs, but Chevy's still got it figured out when it comes to ease of install. Now, speaking of install, I've got another video where I show you guys some of the best headlight bulbs on the market today for this exact truck. We run through like 6 of the best brands available, and I show you one by one exactly how they perform in these headlights. You should definitely check that out. Click the subscribe button. We've been busy testing on this truck, and I'd love for you to see what we got for you.